on the other side of the universe. So guys, for today's video, we are still in the Caravan Park here in Lilidale, Pine Hill, in Caravan Park, guys. So this is our last day for today. Tomorrow is our last day, guys. So this is our 5th day here in the Caravan Park, and of course we're still cleaning here. Now we are cleaning the blinds here, as you can see. So the blinds, the outside one, and here at my back, so all the area have a blinds here. So ayun na nga. So ito yung, ayun yung ano namin ngayon. Ayun yung ating gagawin for today errands, and then later we are going to our place again to put back some containers kasi nga bukas is our last day here, and then we will storage our caravan still here in the Pine Hill Caravan Park. So later I will update you later again kung ano pa yung gagawin namin ngayong afternoon, and later again, guys. Bulaga! So, ngayon, guys, Jax is draining our water tank. Good morning, Jax.
Good morning.
So, ayan, guys, sinatanggal ni Jax ang tubig. So, para makalagay kami ng bagong tubig sa aming water tank. And then, kakatapos ko lang din magsampay. Pero kahapon nagsampay ako ng clothes. Pero nga, medyo basa pa. So, ngayon is a good day. So, the weather here is very sunny. I think it will hit like 30 something today. Correct, Jax?
Correct, I think it's the hottest day since April.
Yes, so today is a short day. Short clothes. So, yung mga kasama namin dito, yung mga neighbors namin outside, they just packing because I think they will go back to their reality life, or they will go to somewhere else. So, ngayon, pati na lang kami na nandito sa aming area. I'm not sure, maybe mamaya may darating or depends. Kasi nga, ngayon kasi, still holiday today.
Yeah, it's public holiday today.
So, today is a public holiday because it's
Melbourne Cup.
I don't have a cup, guys, so it's a Melbourne Cup.
Yeah.
So, ayun na nga, guys. So, naglinis kami ng mga blinds for today. And, mamaya yung task ko dyan. Papasok ko yung daliri ko dito, and then I will clean it. Kasi nga, sabi ni Jax, yun daw yung task ko for today ngayon. So, ngayon, dinidrain namin, tinatanggal namin yung tubig from the tank, and then we will put another water in the tank now. So, kasi may mga ants dito. So, Jax is taking out the ants. Kasi nga gali siya. So, I will show you yung ating sinampay outside. So, ayan ang ating sinampay. Very nice, diba? Miikot yan. Jump. Ayan, o. Yung sinampay. Naikot yan. O. Diba may mga panty-panty pa dyan? Diba? Yan yung sinampay natin. Maganda kasi yung araw yan. So, mamaya, ano yan? O, nakita niyo yung panty ko dyan. So, mamaya yan. So, ayan yung labas. Madami pa rin kalat. Ayan na. O, diba? O, tingnan mo naman na hair ni Jax.
Just do maintenance. Just make sure the latches lubricated.
Lubricate pala yun for WD.
Yes.
Ayan na. Diba? Ayan ang view sa outside world. May langaw kasi dito na kairita ito. Ayan nga. Maya i-update ko kayo ulit, guys. Okay, guys. So, we are now in the common kitchen area. You can cook here, guys. You can do barbie. Here, you can see there's a 2 fridge there. And there also etiquette there for the camp kitchen. So this is their camp kitchen, closed at 10 p.m. daily. Ayan. So they also have a microwave there and a toaster for the bread. You can also wash your dishes here, guys. There's also a lot of notes here, guys. Ayan. Okay, so that one is also a, what is this?
It's a barbecue.
Barbecue, guys.
Yes, 2 barbecues there.
So, ayan.
TV here, I didn't realise.
TV, guys. And then there's a lot of magazine brochure and everything about Yarra Valley. Ayan, Yarra Valley picnic. So,
Yeah.
Jax, what we will do today?
Roast marshmallows.
So, we are going to do a roast marshmallow, guys, because we are in the camping. So, there you can see there's a washing machine over there if you don't have any washing. Ayan, it's a huge place too. Here, Jack's doing a marshmallow, roasted marshmallow.
Oh, it's like a pink and a yellow one. Don't know if there's any difference to
Wow,
them.
it's massive.
So,
Uy.
oh, I'm not going to say a word.
Okay, guys. So Jax will do a marshmallow.
Yeah, there's a lot of heat over coals here, so I'll get it away of the thing there. So ideally you don't want them to catch fire, but you want, it's probably better to go over coals here. There you go, starting to get some colour now. I've never really cooked two at once. Usually you just stick them on a branch. And these are just quite large.
Yeah, it's large.
So usually the outside will get crispy and then all the inside turns gooey. So I'll just give it a bit more and then we'll, yeah, you can see it's starting to sort of flare up now if we get a lot closer. Get it a bit on the side, and that side. So it looks nice and dark, and then we'll go take it back over there. We've got the seat. And
Here. So here, guys, there's a what do you call this one?
that's a fire pit.
Fire pit. Yeah. So now Jax and I will do a eating the roasted roasted marshmallow.
Yeah, take it on. So you kind of.
It's massive, the guys. It's so large.
So it's actually taking the skin off here. It's all soft. Alright, grab yours.
Ooh, look.
Usually, I guess when we're a lot smaller, you take the whole thing off here at once because these ones are so large. It's hard to kind of get the inside because it doesn't look like it's melted all the way through.
So this is our last day here sa Caravan Park, guys, and we doing a roasted
Marshmallows.
marshmallows.
Yeah, every other night we've been here, there's always been people with like camp chairs all the way around.
Yeah.
I might just your son.
Huh? Huh?
Nah. No, it's just sticky.
Oh. This food?
It's quite thick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Usually the marshmallows are like a lot smaller. These ones here are
This
jumbo.
is jumbo one.
It does say only a jumbo. I think it's maybe backwards on for yourselves, but yeah, jumbo roasters. So they actually are marshmallow designed for roasting. So yeah, it's actually quite nice. Don't know how many of those I can eat though. It's quite filling.
Jumbo.
Considering we just had dinner too. Yes. Did you want another, or is that enough?
Enough now. You want more?
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
fine.
Considering that we just had dinner, like we had this probably 10 minutes after dinner, it's quite filling.
Yes, we have enough. Only one is fine. Maybe next time I can try.
Yeah. I'll make sure we don't store those in the caravan because the ants are
No,
going to get all over it.
You need to bring it tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll
Just clip it. There's a clip there.
Yeah. So we'll take these back and have them at home or not. But
Ayan guys, so we are going back to the caravan now. There's no people here because so far in this caravan site guys, we only have
here's the television remote, so you can actually watch the TV here.
So yeah.
So it looks like there's actually a herb garden here too. Like if you need herbs for cooking, I guess.
Oh, there's a herb.
Okay, so that,
Lavender,
yeah, I think it's lavender. I think that's rosemary there. I think it's this one here is rosemary. Maybe it looks like mint, or it could be basil. Let me see. Oh, it actually has a sign here, but I think it's all wiped away. That basil, I think.
Yeah, basil, that one.
Yeah, that looks like lavender on the side. That looks like chives or spring onions. Oh, yeah, so some of them actually do have.
Spring onions.
There's a tiny bit of spinach here. That's parsley.
Yeah, some have a name naman.
That could be a different type. That could be Thai basil.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately the labels are worn out. Or, yeah, someone's put this. Yeah, that might be another type of mint there. There's some signs down here. That's just a tree. What's that one?
It's a ipis.
Oh, is that ipis?
So, ayan guys, tapos may yung gentleman there.
Yeah, I think last time there was more people, they kept stoking wood there, so it was a lot bigger fire. But, I mean, as you'll be able to tell when you walk back here, there's only like, there's two, there's only two.
Is the like that?
Yeah, I think that's it. The fairy lights were on. Just turn that off and you're fine. That's all we turned on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's another lot of bin there.
There's a bin there, guys.
So, yeah, there's no...
So it's dark, guys. So far, we still have...
Yeah, there's no...
So last
there's
night
no vans
kasi
here.
No caravans dito last night. They're a group.
No caravans. And in the middle here, I think it's only us and the guy next to us in the boat.
Yeah,
oh,
and there's
one
another
van,
one there at the back. And the coffee
But
man.
all this here was all full.
Yeah.
Like when we were here earlier.
Weekend, guys.
I
Friday.
think they left yesterday, and then this morning, all these left this morning here.
Yeah, the group. And the other one last night, yesterday. So now we are back now, guys. Very peaceful. It looks like you will hear...
Yeah.
That's a frog. Is it a frog?
Yeah, it could be frogs. Don't know if it's cicadas. Which are like sort of big grasshoppers that make like for nighttime noises.
How the tents goes.
Oh yeah.
So ayan guys.
I was just looking to see if there's any ants there from earlier. Some, but... Oh, yeah. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. He's fast.
Yeah, it's actually quite filling.
Yeah, it's so, it's a big.
It's a nice night though, it's not cold.
You see guys,
I just haven't got
there's
any...
a few stars out. Yeah,
Yeah,
there's
tiny.
a few stars there.
If you go into the countryside, the whole sky lights up. Like, it's because we're still close to suburbia.
Lucky we have a caravan talaga. If not, we'll be like, doing a tent.
Oh yes, we've had our fun doing that and we froze. Man, then there's nothing to really do. You either sat outside and froze or you had to pretty much go to sleep inside.
So, that's it guys. That's our 5th day here sa Little Piney Hill Caravan Park. And this is our last night here sa Caravan Park guys. Because today is a holiday here in Victoria. It's a Melbourne Cup guys. So it's a long weekend. So we've been here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and tomorrow we will head back to our place and we will back to reality, back to work guys. And that's the end of our video for today. Sarap. Ang bigat ng marshmallow guys kapag ni-roast kayo. Try nyo guys. Maganda siya kapag nagka-camping kayo. So, thank you very much for watching. I want to close this vlog na guys because tomorrow is we are to woke up early because our checkout will be 10 a.m. So we need to pack our things outside. Yung mga natitira pa sa labas that he moved the chairs outside. And yun na nga guys. I've had fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and mega love shoutout to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao la!